Hey friends, Tom Wylie here. Quick tip on helping load and unload things from a pickup or a flatbed trailer. First of all, get yourself a pair of ramps. These are simply 2x10s from a lumber yard. They're 8 feet long, just a standard piece of lumber. Not very expensive, but immediately and infinitely usable and useful. So I use these all the time. I've gone through several of them. Moving stuff around. One tip for how to secure them, I've always just put them extra high, but then I have to drag my thing that I'm unloading and lift it up over that edge, and it always try to kick it and shove it off and make it fall. So today I finally did what I should have done years ago, and I just put some screws through it. You could use more like decking screws, but I had these lag bolts that are just a Torx, like a T30 size Torx. These are just 3-inch lags that I just screwed through, and they drop into the tie down rail that goes around this flatbed trailer. They just drop into that, so you can't knock this ramp off no matter how hard you push on it. Plus, so now this is way lower to this deck surface. Plus, if we use, like for a super heavy load, like we just moved a minute ago, just use a tree felling wedge to soften it even more. So you can just ride up that wedge and then down the ramp. I prefer to have the steering wheels, the casters on the downhill side so then I can kind of drive it. Okay, those look pretty well aligned. Here we go. Once you get over the edge, you got to be ready to immediately push back so it doesn't squish you. Easy does it. There we go. A little bit of a steep incline because we're on a hill and our ramps are coming down into the hill, so it's a steep transition, but hey, it worked. I survived. Everything came off safely, so it's all good. If you like this tip, please give me a thumbs up, comment below, and as always, subscribe if you'd like to see more. See you later.